Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Brisbane. The local time is 3:23 p.m. Please remain in your seat with your seatbelt firmly fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs. If your mobile phone is within reach, it will now be taken off flight mode. For those leaving us here in Brisbane, your bags will be available from baggage carousel number 2 on the ground floor. If you are transferring to international flights, please proceed to the international transfer desk outside the baggage claim area. This service is complimentary to Qantas customers. And for Jetstar domestic flights, you'll need to collect your bags and then make your way to Jetstar check-in. When the seatbelt signs are off, you'll be leaving through the forward door. Before you leave, please check the seat and seat pockets for any personal items. Smoking is not permitted whilst disembarking and throughout the airport terminal. As well as the forward door and narrow bridge, we also will be disembarking through the rear doors using stairs. We do recommend that you use the handrails to assist you slowly down the stairs and onto the ground. Please do not operate electronic devices while on the tarmac. On behalf of the entire crew, I would like to thank you for choosing to fly with Qantas and our codeshare partners, Emirates Airlines, China Eastern and Air New Zealand. It has been our pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.